This is the Yeedi 2 Pro, a low-profile robotic vacuum mop. This robotic vacuum mop scrubs the floor with its oscillating mopping pad. It also has 3000 PA suction power to suck up Cheerios and pet hair in a breeze, and with an option to buy a self-cleaning charging base. What's up, guys? This is Tampatec, and this right here is the Yeedi 2 Pro. And this right here is the optional self-cleaning dustbin. So right here we got the manual, the mopping attachment, the dusting brush, power cable, charging pad, and the robotic vacuum. Has sensors right here. Also on the sides, right here, you can pull this part out right here, and you're going to attach the mop. To fill it up, you just pour the water in here. Under here, we have the brush that you can remove and easily clean out. The wheels, which have suspension, so it can climb up on rugs. You have the center wheel too as well. Eventually you're going to have to clean that out if it gets too much pet hair in it. It might not rotate. That's what I experienced in the past. And right here, you got to be sure to clean these often. Let's go ahead and put the brush on. Right here, let's go ahead and remove this. And this foam pad, remove that. Here's the base. Here's the protective plate. With the power cable, screws, and a screwdriver, and the self-cleaning dustbin. And it has an extra bag in there already, so we have a spare bag, which is nice. If you ever get any clogs, you can check under here, and you can remove this panel to remove any pet hair. There is an LED light right here letting you know that the bag is not full yet. Push this button and the light turns red, and then you can remove the bag. The light lights up letting you know that it's charging. The camera right here is for 3D mapping on your phone using the app. You can map out your house and block off certain cleaning areas. Right here is a little bumper. Also has avoidance technology, so it avoids certain things like loose cables and loose socks on the floor. Now you want to go ahead and download the Yeedi app.
Please switch on the power before charging.
Now we're going to add the robot right here.
Please scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started.
Go ahead and open this up right here and scan the code.
Please scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started. Please switch on the power before charging.
Next, we're going to switch on the power.
Please switch on the power before charging. Starting charging.
All right, select, hit next. Short press the reset button. All right, let's go ahead and do that.
Ready for network setup.
All right, next. Now make sure you connect only to a 2.4 gigahertz wireless router. Make sure your phone is on that same wireless router. And make sure the router is within 20 feet of your phone and the robotic vacuum. All right, hit next. Now right here, we're going to use the camera on top of the robotic vacuum to scan the QR code, which is under my hand.
Scan success.
All right, now it is pairing, so we got to wait. Okay, so right now it is connected and paired, and hit done. And now it's downloading, I think, an update. All right, here's a brief tutorial. It has a built-in obstacle avoidance technology. Hit next. You can set a do not disturb time. You can also set continuous cleaning to make sure every job is done 100%. There is a firmware update. Let's go ahead and check that out. Turn on automatic updates. On. It lets you know the battery life, the name of the robotic vacuum. You can start by cleaning. Tap this button right here.
Starting vacuuming.
Or if you want to recharge, you
Return back to the
tap that button.
Starting charging.
If you want to order more supplies, tap this button right up here. Let's go ahead and check out the app. Now let's go ahead and check out the mapping feature right here. Let's start mapping. Next. Enter mapping mode, confirm.
Starting vacuuming.
As you can see, you got real-time monitoring and it's beginning to map. If you swipe up, there's more features. You can adjust the volume. You can also choose different languages. These are all the languages that the robotic vacuum supports. You can also adjust the suction power up to 3000 PA, the water flow in the mop feature, schedule a time and day, and you can also go into your advanced features and set do not disturb, auto empty, and frequency of auto emptying, and suction boost if it climbs up on carpet. And as you can see, it shows you the history. Right, so the mapping is done. We'll label it map 1. Let's go ahead and label it room 1 for now. And go ahead and click on save. Set up virtual no mop zone. Let's go ahead and do that. Enable when mopping. We can select that. Enable when mopping and vacuuming. We can select that as well. Creating a no-go zone is easy to do. Just tap on the plus symbol, adjust the no-go zone, and place it where you want it in the room. There we go. And we hit save. You click on the gear right here. It lets you know the quality of the filter, main brush, and side brush.
Returning back to the station.
So this is how much it missed, and this is how much the Yeedi vacuum cleaned up. All right, so this is everything it cleaned up.
Starting charging.
So now I'm gonna hit the self-empty button right here. There's still some right here. Right here, I added some water.
Starting charging.
Right here. As you can see, the water level, it's about maybe 30%. That's all I need. And then under here is the mopping pad. I ran it once. I'm gonna run it again. But basically, it moves back and forth once it's in motion. So it's an oscillating mopping pad, which is really good. You want it to scrub instead of wipe across the floor like most robotic mops. So you got real-time monitoring, which is really cool. If you want to remove the mop pad, it's easy to do. You just peel off the mop pad, throw it in the wash, or you can hand wash it. Now be sure not to get this connection wet because it can mess up the unit. And of course later on you want to clean out these filters. The visual mapping did a great job mapping out this room, and the virtual boundaries in the app worked terrific. So if you have a Christmas tree that you want to protect, you could create a virtual boundary and it will go around that virtual boundary. The battery is a 5200 milliamp hour battery pack that's inside here. You could get about 240 minutes of cleaning time. The mopping feature on this robotic vacuum is a great feature, and that scrubbing motion does do better than the wiping of the mopping pad that most robotic vacuum/mops do. Now the height on this unit is 17 inches and it comes out right about 19 inches out, and the width of the robotic vacuum is about 14 inches and the height on that is about 4 inches. Hopefully you found this video informative. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, and if you know anyone that's interested in a robotic vacuum/mop, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them. If you're interested in the Yeedi 2 Pro robotic vacuum/mop, go ahead and check out the link in the video description below. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. Thanks guys for watching.